Number 14, can't judge a book by its cover. Meaning, do not make assumptions or prejudice about something or someone based solely on one's appearance. Examples: A. He may look tough, but you can judge a book by its cover. He is actually quite sensitive. B. The old car may look beat up, but you can judge a book by its cover. It runs like a dream. Number 15, cut the cord, meaning to end a dependency or attachment to something or someone. Examples: it's time to cut the cord and let our kids be independent. B. He decided to cut the cord with his toxic friend and focus on positive relationships.